Hello viewers, this is a new day. I'm in Springfield, Ohio. Hi boys and girls, we made it. Now we're in Missouri, just waiting. Welcome to the Gishimo.
Mountains and Nevada.
This is it, guys. This is what you get in America when you talk about America. California, 60% of California is like this. So the only part when you hear California is bigger than Kenya, or is 10 times bigger than Kenya. What do you want to get to it?
Oh, they come northeastern.
Atu muga kati northeastern ne komo.
Taraboko.
Mutule munege nagati muti nage akulia.
Na telefoni wanyu mwaragire ko bakabwekire fara.
Tamerenya mutoto.
Ile ikauma huko igathi na kuria ko. Riu wa bururi utigana o fara mari haha ri kingi.
Niki mugeria haha.
Ino ni Americana kwino.
Rei jesi ya nyoka. Motri koka.
Makua huko atemenda ukabe. Hadi mwaka buri wanyu. No kuja muri ya beja mugitwara gazi bizarani.
Yako wowe.
Muri atoko.
Yindi mwana ziasa, niyo gote mondo la ya bia. Kenya goti yako. Kenya is a virgin land. Everybody is pure. Pick up the receipt. I just got a load from here to Alabama, so it's kind of I'm getting ready to go and pick it up. Just finished loading.